Well, we'll start with the simplest is we get some of those calls where someone has closed a door and they've got part of the close on the front of it and it does so the seal doesn't work and it leaks out, and you get out there and you open it up and like, well, there's, put it back in, close it, it works. So those are kind of the simple, most people understand that. The other things is that door seal itself can get crud on it, it can get built up. Cleaning that seal, even being able to rotate it if it's been compressed so much that it's starting to break down and we're losing that compression at the bottom of the seal where the water, so you got the drum and then we're pushing that door closes and we push that seal against it. If there's something that's getting in there that allows that to leak out, that's a pretty common problem. Some of the washers, you can actually rotate the glass and the seal and you can get a fresh kind of place where it can seal a little better, or you'll have to replace that. The other one gets a little bit more, should pay closer attention to, is if it's out in the middle of the machine, so it's not coming out the front door, you may have a seal that is leaking. And if that seal is leaking, what's going to happen is it's going to fail, then that's going to get into the bearings. It's also going to continue to leak to the point once the bearings fail, the machine may completely lock up or can leaking out so much that you get all over a motor. And at that point, you might have destroyed the entire machine. So if you see a leak that you can't figure out where it's coming from, I would suggest you call somebody professional to come out there and really do a hard analysis that you don't. I equate it to like you got a flat tire and you just keep driving it until the car blows up. Well, that could happen to you.